J. Lokesh Prasad. I came from Narayana Concept School, Kakinada. My guide teacher is T. Sailaja. Today I am here to present my project Solution for Pollution. This is a specimen showing different types of pollutions. In this you can see air pollution, water pollution as well as land pollution. These are the major types of pollutions which we can see today. Now let us see the solutions for it. Air pollution is caused due to the presence of harmful substances like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide and other bad odor gases. To control air pollution, we need to reduce these gases. So let us see the control for these gases. First let us see carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide is a very dangerous gas. If men are exposed to carbon monoxide displaces the oxygen amount in the hemoglobin and produces carboxyhemoglobin. Then the humans become unconscious. So we need to reduce the amount of carbon monoxide. To reduce carbon monoxide, two types of devices, that is thermal exhaust reactor and catalytic exhaust reactor are developed. In the thermal exhaust reactor, there will be a high temperature chamber which has the provision of supplying oxygen for the whole combustion process. When oxygen is added to carbon monoxide, it forms carbon dioxide. But this is not much economical because the material cost will be very high because it has to resist that much temperature and pressure. Now let us see catalytic exhaust reactor. This catalytic exhaust reactor has a catalytic bed. Generally catalysts are molybdenum, manganese dioxide, etc. This can activate at a moderate temperature. So this is economical than the thermal exhaust reactor. This is the model showing the thermal exhaust reactor. Now let us see carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is mostly emitted from automobiles and industries. Due to the increase of carbon dioxide amount, global warming has been increasing. Global warming means the increase in the average temperature of Earth. It is if the increase of carbon dioxide is continuing on like this, the temperature of the Earth will be increased by 1.1 to 6 degrees Celsius only in the 21st century. So to decrease carbon dioxide, we need to decrease deforestation and to increase the number of plants. And also the carbon dioxide gas from industries must be let into forests of high density and also to the oceans because oceans and forests access carbon sinks. Thus we can control carbon dioxide. Now let us go to sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. The control for sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide is the reducing the fuel gases which contains of sulfur and nitrogen. These are mostly emitted from automobiles. So we need to reduce the use of automobiles. Now let us see our next concept, particulates. Particulates means the solid particles like carbon, silicon, phosphorus, aluminum, etc. which are present in atmosphere. Everyone thinks that these are not much harmful, but if they enter into our body, they greatly affect the respiratory system. It also affects the metabolic activities. So we need to control these particulates. For this control, four types of devices, that is plate type electrostatic respirator, tube type electrostatic respirator, a simple particle settling chamber, cyclone scrubber are developed. Now let us see about the first device, plate type electrostatic respirator. This plate type electrostatic respirator has a series of metal plates of great electric potential of opposite train to each other. When the effluent gases pass through this, the particulates get collected down and the effluent free air will be let into the atmosphere. Next, tube type electrostatic respirator. This tube type electrostatic respirator works on the principle that the aerosol particles get charged when they are subjected to electrical field. When effluent gas is passed through the tube type electrostatic respirator, the particulates in the air gets charged and they are collected at the ground level. And the effluent free air will be let into the atmosphere. Next, a simple particle settling chamber. This is a simple device which works on the principle of gravitation. When the effluent air is passed into this chamber at low velocity, the particulates of higher mass gets collected down and the effluent free air will be let into the atmosphere. Now let us see about cyclone scrubber. This is a device model showing cyclone scrubber. And the polluted air is inserted into the cyclone scrubber at the bottom end of the vertical cylinder containing sprays. The water jet, contains water which gives a tangential acceleration. This comes at high speed. So these water particles take away the particulate matter in the atmosphere, and the water containing particles will be collected down, and the free air will be let into the atmosphere. Thus we can control air pollution. Now let us see the control of water pollution. Water is greatly polluted due to the waste emitted from industries. Now let us see how the wastewater coming from industries can be purified. It has three major treatments. First one is preliminary treatment, second one is primary treatment, and the third one is secondary treatment. The large amounts of woods, cans and PVC present in the wastewater can be purified in the first treatment. Next, it is sent into sedimentation tank. In this sedimentation tank, the water is rotated at high speed and is allowed to settle for 2 days. Next, it is sent into chemical coagulation tank. In this chemical coagulation tank, chemicals like hydrated lime, ferrous sulfate are added to the water to kill some dangerous microorganisms. Next, it is sent into neutralization tank to neutralize the acids and bases. Next, it is sent into the secondary treatment. This secondary treatment has a trickling tank. This trickling tank has a sprays at its bottom. We arrange a filter bed which consists of stones, coal, PVC and as well as gelatinous film. The gelatinous film has a bacteria in it. When the water is sprayed on this gelatinous film, the bacteria feeds upon the organic matter present in the water. Then the water becomes free of organic matter and it is further processed into a chlorination tank where the chlorine gas is added to water to kill some other microorganisms. Then we can obtain pure water which we can recycle for using in industrial process and for cleaning purposes. Let's see how to control soil pollution. The use of pesticides and insecticides must be reduced. Instead of this, natural fertilizers like manure and dung has to be improved. Also, the plastics and politics must be banned. Then only we can control soil pollution. Thank you.
So, what's your name you said?
Lokesh Prasad.
Lokesh?
Prasad.
Lokesh, what's your ambition?
IIT.
Oh yeah, oh very good. And so, how is the preparation going on?
Yes.
Okay. And which class you are into?
Enter first year.
Oh yeah? Oh, already you are into IIT program? Going on? So how confident you are?
Very good.
And where you are planning your target, like rank, in which area you are setting up?
Bombay.
Huh?
Bombay.
Oh, okay, no problem. So then in that case, you must be knowing Prithvi Tej?
Yes.
I met him a couple of times and I talked to him and happy, huh? And 8th ranker Bhargav, 9th rank Varun, okay? We are all in touch. Today they are in Hyderabad for some other meeting. Okay.